Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the Python series. Today's topic is for while loops. So we're gonna cover both in this video. And if you are working on any custom project related to Python or any tech project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp to discuss about it, or maybe mail on this Gmail address, or you can fill out this form. All the links are in the description. Let's get started with today's video. I will create a new file for this tutorial .6.py and the topic is for while loops. This is also to control the flow of our program and how we can use them to avoid repetition in the code. So there is a terminology in the programming which is dry coding. Yeah, so don't repeat yourself. It is the practice we use in the programming so that we don't write the same code again and again. Let's say I want to print my name for 5 times. So what I can do is I can just print a statement, and if I want to print 5 times, I will do like this, right? This is the really simple way of doing it, right? And I would say, like, why not to use it, right? So 6.py. So this is awesome. This is giving me the result I was expecting. And why not to use it? You can use it if you are printing for 5 times. If I tell you print this name for 5,000 times, then you will not write this 5,000 times, right? This will be a serious problem for you. How you can do it? Let me show you. If I want to print this for 100 times now, so I will create a for loop, and the syntax of this loop is for I in range I will say 100 here, print my name, or well, just here. Now let's see. So it is actually printing 100 times, but to verify that it's actually printing, where we're gonna use the f string here. So I will use a keyword which will be I means my variable, which will be first time it will get executed, it will be let me show you in the runtime so that we get the idea. Yeah, okay. So first time the value was 0, the second time it was 1, and then 99, right? So this is how it's getting repeated, this I, right? So it is executing for 100 times, and it is starting from 0, but what we can do is get it started with 1 by specifying the range, and the last number or the ending range will always be uh, the range minus 1, so it is default, but I can do is 100 plus 1, yeah, or simply write 101. Yeah. This time I should see 100 here, right, as expected. Okay, so this is for loop. Now I can do the same thing with using while loop. So in some cases you have to use for, in some cases you have to use while. It depends on your use case, and you will practice them, you will get the idea where to use it. Okay, but mostly I use for loop, and you will also use that because I know that. Okay, while, I would say while. Now for while I have to create a variable first. So I will create I equal 1, and I will say while this I is less than equal to 100 print with. I have made a mistake here intentionally. Now let's see what we get a result. You can see my name is getting printed, but it's not stopping, it's not getting exit anywhere. So it is indefinite loop, infinite times it will get executed. I have to press Ctrl C, otherwise it's gonna heat up my laptop. Okay, so I have to now increment my I. So you're gonna see like there is more complications than this structure. This is a controlled structure, like it gets executed and then it will terminate it after some repetition. But if you forget in the while loop to increment by some number, I will increment it by 1 I. So first time I will be 1, then it will be 2, then it will be 3, and eventually it will 101, right? And this condition will give you a false result, so that my loop will get terminated. If you forget it, it's gonna run forever. So yeah, it is. But let's do the same thing here. And let's comment this thing. Okay, so it is also giving me the same result. Okay, so this is for and while loop. There are other loops also, do while and things like that, but no one used that in Python programming, so it's better to use for or while, or just for, stick to that, right? And I'll meet you in the next one with some other topics, probably functions. Thanks for watching.